how to calculate sum in Notion. First, I'm going to choose a template to show you how to, create or how to show this sum here in Notion. So let me look for simple budget as our template and add this to my workspace. So tap add to my workspace and you just have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. This is a sample or preview of simple budget. And all you have to do here is you just have to scroll down and then you can click this to create a new one. But let's just use this. Let's just try to create a new one here. For example, my budget. And then you have to toggle this one on the full view to use the whole page. Now, what I'm going to show you right now is I'm going to create a database. So let's just skip in using that simple budget template. We can create our own. Okay, so all you have to do is you have to look for the database right here. And then, for example, I'm going to put my budget. And then I'm going to budget my, for example, like I'm working and I need to budget my salary or I need to budget my allowance here. So I want to budget this food, accommodation, transportation, and so on. So in order for you to, add another property here, you just have to click this. You can delete or you can edit property. And then you have to look for, or you can rename this as amount. Go to type and then look for numbers. Okay, and then you can now enter. So you can see here amount. So for food, let's just say I want to save for food, it's like 200, accommodation is like 500 or 600. Actually, everything is up to you, transportation and others. So to calculate everything here, you just have to go down and you see this calculate and you have your option. When you tap this, you will see other options here such as sum, count, and so on. So what we're looking for is the sum, and you will see the all amount of your budget right here. Okay, so it sums up the amount that you need to raise or you need to save in order for you to acquire this. As easy as that. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.